It says that you can access it by going here, but this isn't always the case right away, especially when you've just set up a new hosting account. It can actually take anywhere up to 4 hours for your website to be fully configured. So if you want to leave it a while and wait until you can click here and your website appears, and then restart this video. I'm going to pause it now while I'm waiting on mine, and then we'll restart the video together. So that's me now back, and hopefully I've left it long enough that when I click here, it's going to bring me to my new website. And I have. So this is what it looks like when you first install WordPress. This is the pre-installed theme that comes with it. It's just a sort of example, so you can kind of click in here and see what an example post would look like and things like that if you were deciding to use this theme. We're not going to. We're going to be changing the theme and making it look a lot better than this. The first thing we'll need to do is log into the back end of WordPress, also known as the dashboard. This is where we're going to be able to add pages and make any changes to our new website. So to get logged into the dashboard or the back end of our new website, we just need to go to our website name .com or .co.uk or whatever you've used, then put / and type wp-admin. That's going to bring us to the WordPress login screen, and you just want to copy your username and password from the quick install page and paste it in there. If for whatever reason you've lost access to this page, the quick install page, you will be able to get your username and password from an email that will have been sent to you. Once you've copied and pasted your username and password in here, just click login. This is now you logged into the WordPress dashboard for the first time, and as I say, this is where you'll be able to add any pages or make any changes to your new website. The first thing I like to do when I get logged into the dashboard is change my password, because it's unlikely that I'm ever going to remember this one. So to change your password from the dashboard, on the left hand side you just want to click where it says users, and then if you hover over the username that you've just set up, you'll see that it now says edit. Just click edit, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see here it asks you to enter your new password. So just enter your new password in here and then repeat it again here and click update profile. Now it says profile updated and your password's now changed. To get back to where we were before this, just click on the top left where it says dashboard. Now that we've updated our password, the next thing we're going to do is install a theme. To install a theme on WordPress, you just want to click on the left where it says appearance, and then up at the top where it says add new. The theme we're going to be searching for today is called Customizer, so if you just want to type that into the search bar, it's spelled CUSTOMIZR. Once you type that in, just click search, and it should be the only theme that comes up. And underneath it, you just want to click install now. WordPress is going to install it automatically, and as you can see, it's already successfully installed. Once it's installed, you just want to click underneath where it says activate. Now if we visit the site, you'll see that changing the theme has now changed the look of the entire website, and it's now already looking a whole lot better. Obviously we're going to make it look even better still, but it's a good start. To get back to the dashboard from your website, you just want to hover over your website name at the top and click dashboard. Now that we've installed and activated our new theme, you might have noticed this new button at the top appear that says customize it. If you just want to click there, we're now going to upload our logo and change a few of the theme settings. If you just want to click at the top where it says skin first, this will expand this box and allow you to change the main theme color. At the minute it's set to blue, but using this drop down you can change it to any of these colors. The example site you saw at the start of this video was set to black, so I'm going to choose black. Once you change the color, you'll see that the website name and tagline and a few other bits and pieces in the site have also changed color. Once you've chosen the color you'd like, if you just click where it says skin, this will close the box again. Now we're going to upload our logo, and to do this you just want to click underneath where it says logo and favicon. Then if you click upload, you can search for the image you'd like to use as your logo. To make sure it looks as good as possible, you just want to make sure that the maximum width is 250 pixels and the maximum height is 100 pixels. Obviously you don't need to have a logo. If you're just happy enough to leave it as your website name here, or maybe you don't have a logo yet, you can just skip this step. But if you do want to upload your logo, just click here where it says upload. Then search for the image you'd like to use and click open. Now if you leave it a couple of seconds, you should see that it now has your logo instead of your website title. Now if you just click where it says logo and favicon again, this will close that box down. Now if you click underneath and expand this box, this will let you change your website title if you haven't uploaded a logo, and change your tagline, which is this sentence over here. Because I've uploaded a logo, I'm just going to leave this box alone, but I'm going to change the tagline. So I'm just going to type in learning how to build WordPress websites step by step together. Once you've typed in your tagline and changed your site title if you need to, just click here again to close the box. Then just click underneath where it says front page, and you want to change this bottom drop down from demo slider to no slider. Then just click front page again to close the box. Then click comments to expand the box, and you want to check this box beside where it says enable comments on pages. Now you can just close this one down, and if you click here where it says social links, this is where you can enter in the URLs of all your different social channels, and the icons will show up here. I'm now just going to pause the video for a minute while I fill out a few of my social channel URLs, and then I'll restart the video. This is just to save some time in the tutorial. So that's me now back, and as you can see, now that I've put in my social channel URLs, these little icons have appeared, and if any of our visitors click on one of these, it'll bring them to the social channel. So this one will bring you to YouTube, this one will be LinkedIn, Google+, Facebook, and there's also things like Instagram and Pinterest and a few other things that I don't have myself. I just filled out the ones that I use. So once you've filled out your social channel URLs, if you just want to scroll back up and click here where it says social links, this will close that box down again. Now there's nothing else we need to change here at the minute, so if you just want to click up at the top where it says save and publish, this will save all the changes. Now just click here where it says close, and this will bring us back to the dashboard. And then if you click up on the top left where it says dashboard, this will bring you right back to the home screen. And now if you just hover over your website name at the top and click visit site, we'll be able to have a look at what our website looks like so far. As you can see, it's already looking a good bit better and a bit closer to the end result we're going for. We have our social media icons in here, and they also appear down here. We have our logo put in and our tagline looking good. And at this moment in time, I'd just like to open up our checklist and see what we've done and see what we still need to do. So we've set up our hosting, we've got our domain name, we've now installed WordPress and installed our theme. We've changed some of the theme settings, but we will need to come back to this and change a few more. But for now, we're going to add some pages. To add pages to our website, we need to do this from the dashboard. And to get back to our dashboard from our site, we just hover over our website name at the top and click dashboard. Now to add pages to your website, you just need to click on the left hand side where it says pages. Then up at the top where it says add new. That's going to bring us to the main page editor of WordPress, and as you can see with these options and things here, it's quite similar to something like Microsoft Word. You just want to type the title of your page in here and then your main content in here and then click publish. So I'm going to call this page Why Use HostGator. You can obviously call your page something different, and then here in the main content area I'm just going to paste some text that I've already written up. Once you've typed in your text, say for example you want to insert an image in here, just click up at the top here where it says add media and then upload files. Click here where it says select files and then look for the image you're going to use on your computer. Then click open, and on the right hand side you can choose the alignment of your image. I'm going to set mine to left, and then you can also choose if you'd like to link it to something. I'm not going to. I'm just going to set this to none, and then the size of my image I'm going to leave as full size. Once you're happy with everything, just click insert into page, and this will add the picture into your new page. Once you're happy with all your text and your image, just click on the right hand side here where it says publish. Now if we view the page by clicking here up at the top, we can see that our new page is now live with our picture, and there's this option at the bottom